Okay, let me just quickly explain how this noun uh, ticketing platform works. Mm. So you go to support.nou.edu.ng and it will bring you here anytime with any device, whether phone or computer. Okay, so once you arrive here, you can see open a new ticket here. You can see open a new ticket right there. So how do you open a new ticket? You enter your information, matric number, phone number, and all that below there. It says, please enter your matric number, select the issue category, valid phone number, and a message body. You will be contacted and notified via email, noun email, for example, your matric number at noun.edu.ng and phone number provided. So you enter the matric number of the student, that is your matric number in this case. Starting with NOU, some of you make the mistake of omitting NOU because you are too wise perhaps. This is not here is not the place to do that. So you enter your matric number, NOU one. It depends on your matric number. You enter your matric number. Okay, you can see it ticked it good. That means the digit is complete. Then you enter your phone number. Once it's complete, it will also tick it good. Then you select the category. Here it says uh, academic registry. Are you sending this? You want to communicate with the academic registry, or you want to communicate about e-learn portal? Is that where you are sending your complaint? Or just email about the courseware? You want to talk about courseware, maybe course material missing or whatever. The faculty, which faculty or department, your faculty or department. You don't need to specify all those. Your details are already in the system. So with your matric number, the remaining parts of your details will be sent to the appropriate section. Is it about industrial training? Postgraduates, you also have a section here. Students portal issues. Do you have any issues related to the portal? Your account, maybe payments and all that. TMA related issues and results too. You can request your results here. You can come here and say, please, I need my whole result from 100 level to final if you are a graduate or so, or if you don't know why you have not graduated. This is a good way to request for it, and you get a response. Okay, so if it's TMA, you go through that. So let's say TMA related issues. Then subcategory, unable to view result. That is, are you talking about your whole result or your TMA or whatever? Unable to access your TMA, missing result, remarking of exam scripts. Can you see that? So in this case, you will no longer be paying 10,000 for your script to be remarked. You just send a request from here. So if there's any issue related to your complaint, you will be notified. If there is none, your issue will be attended to. But be careful because your whole details are going through the system. Okay, change of exam venue. So if you have issues with your exam venues as well, this is a good place to report that. Like you wanted to write exam, but suddenly you are transferred. Most of now students are workers. Suddenly you are transferred from your current location to another. I think this is a good place to make the report at least 1 week or 2 weeks before the exam begins. So let's say unable to view results. You come here and say, please, I need my 100 level to, in fact, you can just use a simple English, but let's say you specify 100 to 300 level results. Perhaps sent to my email. You can specify your email. Or you can just use another English that you need a comprehensive result. A comprehensive result of your previous performances. You can just use a simple so that they will generate everything and send to you. You pick up the conversation from there. They might tell you, hey, we don't have access to it. Go to so and so person. You might be referred to someone. It depends on your issue. It depends on your issue. So if you are sending a complaint and you also have something like your receipt to send, you snap it and send. If you don't have, you just send without attaching anything. If you have any file to attach, here you do. So when you send this, it will say successful, generate a ticket. Look at that. To generate a ticket, it says ticket created. This is the ticket number. Your ticket has been successfully created. And then an SMS will be sent to the phone number you wrote here immediately. You're supposed to receive an SMS immediately. Remember, somewhere down here, it will show your name. It will show your name. Somewhere down here, it will show your name. That's based on the matric number you provided. It will display your name. Although you didn't give your name, but it will display your name. It will tell you, hey, so and so person, and then your message, the message you sent will also be there. Now, what happens? How would you know that they have replied you or not? If you want to continue with this conversation, you can type further messages here and send. As in, you are now adding this one to that ticket. I mean, assuming you omitted something, but I suggest you don't omit anything. Now, keep this ticket number safe. Let me copy it. I only press and hold it down, and then you see copy. You copy it. So, assuming you want to continue the conversation, you go to my ticket. Or if you have another issue you want to discuss, you can open a different ticket for that. To follow up with this particular issue now, this TMA issue now, exactly unable to view your TMA or your result. To follow up with it, you go to my ticket. To open a new ticket for a different issue, you go to open a new ticket. You send a message. So for this one now, this one we submitted. Let's say we want to know if there is any response yet from them directly from here. Even if you didn't receive the email, but I suggest you use an accurate phone number at least. Use an accurate phone number. So let's enter a matric number and then the phone number you entered. You have to enter the phone number you entered and then send. It will bring out the details showing whether there's a response or not. Let me not make this video so too long.